Hey, don't adjust the channel. You rocking with your boy Blade. Ain't no telling what we gonna get into today. It's gonna be action-packed. I want you to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get the freshest, the hottest, the newest videos. This channel is all about inspiration. It's all about positivity, good energy. But we definitely gonna have fun. We're gonna work hard. We're gonna think smart, but we're gonna have fun more than anything on this channel. But I want y'all to let all your friends know, even your baby mama. Yeah, no problem. Man, you got it knocked out, man. Man, you got it on there. I pulled those stickers off. You know, like it's gonna be that visible. Man, it's moving. It feel good though. No hold up. Probably work better than the new one. I mean the old one before it got wrecked. So he used that big slide hammer, and he was able to make that metal, pull that metal out. Don't look the best right now, but it works. Yes, sir. You did a lot of welding on it, man. How many cars you painted today?
What?
How many cars you painted today?
Where?
At the other job? Like 12 cars today, huh?
In the shed?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like 12 cars?
Nah, I'm finished 3 and they bring me 8 more. And I removed suspension, everything for move all cars. And right now in the shed, only body work. No
Only
paint.
body work, no paint.
Not paint, but when I start painting, when I paint some cars, sometimes paint 12 cars per day, you know.
12 cars a day, man. That man a machine. But he got this one together. Hopefully we'll be wrapping up tomorrow. So y'all just gotta stay tuned, man, to see this one finished.
Yeah, man. For a couple of hours, it's good, man.
Yeah.
For a couple of hours, sometimes many guys takes 2-3 days for fixing that jam, you know.
You go ahead and get it done. No time to waste.
No, I don't have time for.
No plans.
Yeah, no. I left that one because I need to use.
Man, when you playing around though, you can't make no money. So I'm gonna wait so you can prime that. And I sanded this down a little bit. Got it down smooth. All right, man. What you gonna tell them people on YouTube, man? You finna be famous. What you gonna tell them people on YouTube, man? You finna be famous.
Hey, go ahead, tell me when you see a damage. Sometimes the people say this is easy, but nothing is easy in this video, man. But
y'all hearing that right there, man? He said, ain't nothing easy in this business. I'm trying to tell you, it's nothing easy. You got to stay on top of it. But, man, I'm thankful. I'm thankful that this man came and helped me out because I wouldn't have been able to do without him on this one for sure. This was a lot of damage. And the owner was like, oh, is this a little damage? And I'm like, no, man, it really ain't. And it's still not going to be perfect, but it's going to be far better than what he had because how he was riding with that busted door. Y'all tell me. If you was the police, are you going to pull this car over or are you going to pull the car with the busted door like this? I don't even know if there's any good parts left on this car. But We'll get back to it tomorrow. Yes, sir.
Why they call you 19, man?
So this is what it looks like. Primered, blocked out, prepped, sanded, all that good stuff. It came a long way, so I just pulled it out the shop, put it in the sunlight, let this metal warm up a little bit. It definitely needs some sunlight. This part right here, he could get it fixed, but I mean, he not going for a perfect car. He just wants something that he can get back on the road driving. He's gonna need to buy that cover. That's something that he didn't bring. Like I say, man, he came with the intentions of just I was under the impression that he just wanted the quarter on the driver's side fixed, and then he was like, well, can you put this door on? When he showed up, it was like he showed up with a door. It is what it is. I'm not turning down no work, you know, small, big, little, as long as I get compensated. I looked at it like it was more money for me and my team. Well, Jaimie, he is the team, and I guess that's the correct way of saying it, but we're a two-man team. We finna tag team on this. I won't do all the prepping, majority of the masking. We'll probably run some plastic over the whole car, and then probably raise the trunk or something so we can get into these jams. Not sure, but I know we're gonna need to get into that lip right there to paint it on a quarter, so everything will roll in really nice. But yeah, man, if this is your first time tuned to the YouTube channel, I'm your boy Blaze. I'm hoping that you're gonna I'm hoping that y'all like the content. I'm not going on my way to create any content. I'm just recording a day-to-day life. You know, I'm a car fanatic. I love racing, and I got a couple of businesses going. I always say I'm gonna make more barber content, and it's always on my mind to make more barber content. But I enjoy the cars so much that I much rather create car content. But if you're a young aspiring entrepreneur, a hustler, this is the channel that you want to watch. I'm just trying to figure it out as I go, man. Honestly, been at the businesses for many years. I have a lot of experience in it. Sometimes it seems like I have more failure than success, but I never stop. I never quit. So if you those type of, if you got that underdog mindset, like, hey, man, everybody voting me to not succeed. A lot of people have low expectations for you. You know, this the channel, man, because they counted me out so many times. So many times people told me I wasn't gonna never be shit. You know what I mean, in life. And it wasn't my mother. It was people that was around me that seen my potential and they seen my greatness. So they just had to do stuff to try to detour me from getting to that level because they knew they couldn't go. So I ain't gonna take your ear off, man. I'm just hoping y'all liking the content. I'm just trying to keep it genuine. It's my everyday life, man. You know, Sunday, I miss church a second Sunday. That's grinding at me. But I just do everything I can when a customer brings a car. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna get this one up out of here so I can get back on the G-body. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, so everything is prepped, sanded, masked off, and ready to spray. So it's about to go down. Just watching how he masked a lot of things off, how he did the reverse mask. Just looking at some of his tricks. His masking is something that I struggle with, especially with the reverse masking. But I watched everything. Still a little breakthrough right there on the bare metal, but I think that paint and everything gonna hit that. He's getting ready. He's cleaning out his gun right now. He's gonna be using the LPH 400 with those 3M cups. This is the setup I used to use. Same gun that I use. I'm gonna show y'all right there that, you know, these some damn good guns. Look at mine's right here. So Iwata, still love those Iwatas. Never went to the solder. And for my primer gun, this is what I've been using. This is your little Harbor Freight gun. Nothing spectacular. It gets the job done. You didn't clean out your gun, man. Oh, man. Just showing me how to effectively mask off with the plastic. Not using a lot of paper. You know. I was trying to think of how we were going to cover up that wheel with the back masking. Just taking notes, man. Just taking notes. So you got the vent set up, blowing out all the air blowers. So y'all get where we're going with it. He's laying down that base just to get the color on there. And so he in the mix, man. He getting to it. Man, this is what this all boiled down to right here, man. Just trying to get this shit done. You know what I mean? Just get this shit done in an effective manner and as fast as possible. You know what I mean? That's my only goal as a shop owner. You know what I mean? Just to get this shit done. As y'all can hear, it's a lot of noise and stuff in here. I'm gonna throw y'all in time lapse and just record how it goes down, and then I'll let y'all see the finished product, so y'all can stay tuned. Yeah. Man, nothing's more satisfying than some wet paint. Got a little bit of trash in there because my shop is not the cleanest. All that can be wet sand and buffed out. It's all black though. And it's looking good considering what it was when he brought it in. It's looking pretty good. I don't know what the hell that is. I don't know what that is.